survival bow made from paracord, safety markers, duct tape, and a piece of scrap wood. Back at the Walmart. And the duct tape. The final thing I need are these safety markers. So I got my duct tape with my paracord, a simple loop knot in each end. This is gonna be my bowstring. And let's make the bow. Now we cut a notch for our bowstring, angled down, about 1 inch down from the tip of our bow. And we do it on the other side as well. And you've got a nice notch. Our bow's 48 inches or 4 feet long. Our bowstring end to end, 42 inches. And there we go. In the spirit of repurpose and reuse, I had this scrap piece of wood from a piece of furniture or shelving that I'm going to use for the handle. And also will act as a nice arrow rest. So I'm going to find the center point, find where that feels comfortable when I'm shooting, and get that taped on. All right, that's starting to feel really good in my hand. This. Now I just tape it up. All right, there we go. Survival bow made from paracord, safety markers, duct tape, and a piece of scrap wood. Let's see how it shoots. Not too bad. Thanks guys for watching. Take care.